Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a car lift service ramp with a Suzuki Swift rear version. Okay, bring the service ramp in one line with the wheel on the back side of your car. Then start the engine and drive smooth and gentle on top of the car lift service ramp. Easy and slowly. This is important. You are not a race driver now. You could be a race driver on the road, but not at this moment because of the car lift, as you can see. Smooth and gentle. A little bit more, please. Come on. Back. Come on, back. Yeah, that's right. Good job. Now, do not forget, shift to G1 and pull the handbrake for more support and safety first. That's important, of course. Now, your car is locked and you are able to walk under your car, under your Suzuki Swift. That's a little cute car, isn't it? Oh, and do not forget to support the front wheels at the opposite side. Use a support edge to support your front wheels. Do not forget this tab. That's important too. So now you are able to walk under your car. Easy, as you can see. Yeah, to come back on Earth again. Start the engine and of course you have to take the support edges from the front wheel. Of course, do not forget this. After this, start the engine again. Shift to G1 and release the handbrake and come down slowly with your car. Good. Easy, as you can see. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.